Tell me what the narrative you're seeing around gender affirming care for minors is, because in my program, every single professor who's brought it up has said the only appropriate way to treat gender confused kids is with gender affirming care, period. This is a human rights issue. You're not allowed to question it.
Wow. So I disagree. I don't work with children. I definitely work with, not definitely, I do sometimes take some adolescent clients. And the only reason why is because the parent is so desperate for someone who is not gender affirming care to see their child who's gender confused. And so I make some exceptions. And with these kids that I have accepted, I have made it very clear, I will not affirm your gender identity. I will help you question why you feel the way you do. This isn't about transforming you into a new gender. This is about understanding why you hate the gender you've been assigned with and what that's about for you. Why? And it's been great. I don't understand why we're not doing that this way. I've had clients, I get excited about talking about this, sorry. So I've had a client who was adamant that they were of the opposite sex to now being able to, and the question was always, whether or not the client saw themselves as a male. They were a female turning into a male. And whether or not they saw themselves as a male and wanted to be called a male. And through our therapy time, we have now been able to listen to this person say, I'm a lesbian. Hallelujah. Like, oh my God. And all because I didn't sit there and say, okay, I'll affirm that you're a man. I'll affirm now. Let's go with that. No, let's question it. Let's challenge it. Let's discuss it. Let's find out, what do you hate about yourself so much? And it was a lot of trauma in the past. And there was a lot of not liking what their body looked like and just feeling uncomfortable in it. Well, great. Let's work through those uncomfortable things. Let's find some skills for you. And here we are. I'm a lesbian. Yes. Perfect.
And I just want to point out, all the research shows that over 90% of gender confused minors grow out of it.
Amen. And why? Because of puberty.
Yes.
And we're trying to stop them from going through puberty. That's insane to me. If they just go through puberty, they walk out of it just fine. Unscathed, no big deal. They'll say, oh, it's just a phase.